Welcome to the channel where money meets strategy and everyday people become wealth builders. If you're ready to take control of your finances, grow your income and build a successful future, then you're in the right place. Go ahead and like this video, subscribe and share it with someone who's ready to stop struggling and start building wealth. Today, we kick off our series on one of the most practical money guides ever written. The book is titled How to Make Money. Let's dive into Chapter 1, The Truth About Money. Segment 1. Money is not magic, it's a result. We've all heard it. Money is hard to get. Some people are just lucky, work hard and it'll all work out. Here's the truth. Money is not magic, it's a result. A result of solving problems, creating value, and making smart choices over time. Want more money? Become more valuable. Segment 2. Money is a tool, not a god. Let's get this straight. Money is neither evil nor divine. It's a tool, just like a hammer. In the hands of a builder, it creates. In the hands of a fool, it destroys. Money doesn't change you, it amplifies you. If you're generous, it helps you give more. If you're reckless, it exposes it. Don't worship money, master it. Quick reminder, if this is resonating with you, tap that like button and subscribe now. You don't want to miss the rest of this series. Segment 3. Money responds to value. Here's a mindset shift. People don't really pay for your time. They pay for your value. Why does one person earn 2,000 an hour and another earn 20,000 per hour? Same hour, different value. Money flows too. People who solve real problems. People who create ease. People who become useful. The bigger the value, the bigger the reward. Segment 4. Your background is not your barrier. Yes, some people have a head start, but excuses don't make deposits. Actions do. You don't need to come from wealth to build it. Start with a problem-solving mindset, a hunger to learn, a willingness to begin small. Real story. A young man who shines shoes under a bridge saved daily. He bought an extra brush, trained a friend, and now runs a mobile cleaning company employing others. That's not fiction. That's principle in action. Segment 5. The 3 enemies of wealth. Want to know what's really stopping your financial growth? Here they are. 1. Ignorance. Not knowing how money works. 2. Fear. Fear of failing, fear of judgment. 3. Procrastination. Waiting for a perfect time that never comes. Ask yourself, am I stuck because of what I don't know, what I fear, or what I keep delaying? This series will help you break all 3. Segment 6. What you need is already in your hands. Remember Moses? When he doubted himself, God asked, "What is that in your hand?" Let's ask you the same question. What's in your hand? A phone with internet? A skill? Cooking? Speaking? Teaching? A few people who believe in you. Those are seeds. You can multiply them starting today. Segment 7. Real-life action points. Let's put this into motion, right now. Step 1. Write down 3 skills or natural talents you already have. Step 2. Note 3 problems people around you constantly complain about. Step 3. Match them. How can your skills solve one of those problems? That's how value, and eventually income, is born. Segment 8. Here's a truth worth repeating. Don't chase money, chase value and money will chase you. Say it again, then live by it. Segment 9. Final words and call to action. That wraps up Chapter 1, The Truth About Money, from the book How to Make Money. Now it's your turn to act. Like this video if you got value. Subscribe so you don't miss Chapter 2. Share this with someone who needs a mindset upgrade. Drop a comment below. What part of this chapter hit you the most? Let's talk about it. Remember, you're not stuck. You're just getting started. Let's build something powerful together.